Hello everyone and welcome to CodeCorp. Today we'll be discussing about what are the abstract classes in Java and it's a very important topic from Java perspective and Java development. And if you are going for an interview and all, so then also it will be very like frequently asked question like what are abstract classes and where do we need it? Why do we need it in our project or anything? So firstly, before understanding about abstract classes, we'll be having a prerequisites so that you need to have an understanding of, and then you can go ahead with the abstract classes. So the prerequisites are, firstly, you need to understand Java, like what is Java. That is pretty basic that you need to understand before going into the abstract classes topic, and then you need to have an understanding of what are the classes and object in Java and what is inheritance. So you should have a good understanding of all these topics, and then you should have a tool that is Eclipse Java ID that you need to be installed in your system, and Java also need to be installed in your system. So these are the prerequisites, and then we can have a understanding of abstract classes in Java. So currently I have drawn one canvas. So think it like a simple scenario. Like suppose I am telling you one of the scenario, uh, which uh, which is like quite resembling to the abstract classes. So for that you need to have a look on this. Okay, so just keep up with me here. So here I have created two. Suppose this there is one parent that is very strict parent, and what it wants how like whatever child he's having, he need them to follow a particular set of rule. So here this strict parent is having child A and child B, so he has given some predefined tasks to them, like you need to follow like task A and task B, and then you can do whatever you want. Okay, so it is like basic that he has said to their children, so listen all my children, you need to follow these rules from today, and then before following this rule and after these rules, then you can perform your own task. You need to just do whatever I am telling you firstly, and then you can go ahead with your task whatever you want to do. Okay, so suppose this parent is giving like set of rules, like suppose the task that he's giving, like go for a walk. Okay, so he's giving this task to all the childrens, like go for a walk. So every children he's having, suppose A, B and XYZ, whatever children he's having, uh, they all need to follow this task A, because it has been a rule that has been provided by his strict parent, otherwise they will face the consequences of that. Okay, so first what rule he has given, like go for a walk. So it's the child's choice, whether he want to go for a walk of 100 meter, 1 kilometer or 1,000 meters or anything, whatever he want to do, like whatever number he want to do. And similarly he has given one task like drink water. So every child has an independency of like whatever amount of water they want to drink. Okay, suppose this child A wants to drink uh, 1 liter of water, and child B want to drink like 2 liters of water. So it's their choice, he has given that independent ability to them, like they need to follow like they'll say listen parent, like I am following these two rules, and it's my choice, it's their choice, like whatever they are doing, like I'm going for a walk for 100 meters, and child B says like I'm going for a walk for 200 meters, I'm drinking 2 liters water, and I'm drinking 1 liter of water. So this is like one scenario. Here we have given a set of rules to the children that they can follow, they have to implement those, and then they can go ahead with their task whatever they want to do. Okay, so here you can see children A said like I have implemented the task A, I have implemented the task B, and then I'm going for like a music session or whatever I want to do. Similarly, children B like I have gone for a walk of 200 meter, I am drinking 2 liters of water, now I'm going to go play with my friends and all whatever I want to do. Similarly, if there are any children, any number of children which are getting added to this strict parent, so they all need to suppose I am adding one more children here, like suppose I am adding these C children here. Okay, so children X I am giving X. So these rules by default gets applied to these children, otherwise it will not be considered as a child of the strict parent class. It will not be considered. It need to implement these two tasks, task A and task B. then only it will be considered as the child of this strict parent class. So basic funda is like you need to implement the task that I am giving to you. I am a strict parent, I am giving this task, you need to implement this, otherwise you will not be allowed to consider my child. Okay, so just keep in mind this all the scenarios firstly, and then we'll have a look at the other part of this. Okay, so here we are having a chill parent, like he's performing like he's having some task A, B, and C, and he's performing all of them whether he want to perform, and he is not like forcing any of the rules to his children's. So like if you have added one more children here, and like these, it is totally independent, like children are totally independent whether they want to implement the task A, task B, task C, or task D of the parent class, whether they want to implement these or not is totally up to them. Whether they want, like I am the parent of listen, C says like I am the children of the this chill parent class, and I'll not implement these two tasks A, B, or C, or I will implement them or I will not. It's my totally uh, I am totally independent whether I want to do or not. So this scenario is like normally uh, inheritance. This is normal inheritance, and this is inheritance with abstraction, with abstract classes. Okay, so I hope you have a like basic understanding with these diagrams. You will be having a basic understanding, like this child parent is not forcing anything upon its children, but a strict parent is forcing two of the tasks that need to follow. Every children need to follow them. Okay. Okay, so I'll have a like so you will be having a like good understanding of this now. So today now we will dive into the coding part of it. Okay, so suppose I'm starting the Eclipse. Okay, two parents. I have given the package name as two parents, and here I'll be creating both the parents. Okay, so I will say first like chill parent. So it's a very chill parent. I have like completed it. So chill parent is doing nothing, just it's having like task to method void like I will say go for walk. So it's like printing system.out.println I go on a walk daily. Okay, and similarly it has like another method, another task you will take them just as per the analogy that I have told you, just take them as task. Okay, task. So task this is the task one, or I'll say task A, and this is like drink water. These are the two children. Okay, so now I will create two child classes here. Child A and child B. Finish. So child B extends chill parent. Okay, and what this child B do, like it generally like goes on a party with friends. Okay. Okay. So suppose this children also child A also like it's also a child of chill parent, and it is also like void go for music class. I am child B and going for music. Okay, so what I have given you the example, like suppose here is a one parent and it goes for a walk daily and drinks I drink 1 liter of water. I am chill parent and go walk one daily. So here also, like I am this parent and I drink this water daily. Okay. So these two children are also chill, very chill. Like they don't want to, its parent is not forcing these tasks to them. Okay. So this here in this scenario, in this child be ancient parents, this is the normal inheritance. So in that case, like if child wants to walk for himself, it's his choice. Okay, it is not forcing anything on them. Suppose like here I'll say like void go for a job. Okay, you will better understanding will you'll be understand it better with this example, I think. System.out.println I do go to office daily and earn $100 or something, rupees or something, anything you can want. Okay, so what it wants to do, like its childrens are going for music classes, so these children will say like my parents are going for a job and he's earning $100,000, $100, then I don't want to go for a job. Okay, it's my choice. I don't want to go for a job because my parent is going for a job for me. I'll be having the money. I don't want to go for a job. Similarly, the child B thinks in the similar way. Or child B, suppose child B is the good one, then he will say like I will override that method. I will override this task. Override this task. I'll override this task. I will override this task like go for a job. Go for a job, and I don't want my parents' money. I'll earn for myself. Print I don't want parents' money. I do work myself. And earn $10. Let's say $10. Okay. So here what will happen? Suppose if you will go to go for a job, like if you will ask child A to go for a job, then what will you get? You will be tagged like it will go to the parent, and suppose I say I am I am parent, and I'm go to the office. Suppose so someone is asking for a job, like do you go for a job? Like he's saying like my parents go for a job and he earns like $100 and I don't go for a job. Similarly, if you are having like child B object and if you are asking him, so what he'll say, like he'll be having he'll say like I don't want the money, I don't want my parents money, and I do my own job. So children so chill parent is going for a job, do water, go drink water, go for a walk. Child A follows that thing, child B follows like I don't want to go for a job, I just want to make my own money, and that is it for him. So what he will be do, like here in the strict parents, suppose it is also want like a void. So he says like go for a job. So what he'll do, he'll tell its children's like you need to work for yourself. Okay. So for that purpose, so like if I want my children's to like go for a walk daily, go drink water and do some job or something, if I want to do that, then I'll be talked as strict parents, and strict parents will like in terms of Java they'll call it as abstract classes. So to follow an hierarchy or to follow an basic contract or something, you will say like every of my child should follow that rule that I am creating here. They should go for a walk. So that task becomes very strict if I will add abstract keyword from that in front of that void go. I'll say like go for a walk. If I am adding just this keyword, then it is converting into like very into a very like strict order. Okay. And for that, my parents, I am a strict parent, I need to be abstract class for that. So I am making, so if you will declare an abstract method here, then it will be ask you to declare it an abstract class because it is having one abstract method inside it. So I have declared this an abstract class. So not now what will happen, suppose this child A, okay, it is not, it's not now it is now not belongs to the main class, the chill parent, it now belongs to the uh, strict parent. Okay, but it is very strict. So what he'll say, like he'll say you need to go for a walk now. Okay, then otherwise you will not be, you cannot come under me, you need to go for a walk now. I am the strict parent, I want you to go for a walk. So you can say like this abstract class want this method to be implemented by all his child class. So now A has become its child, then this child should implement that method, that task that they have given. Suppose in this example I have shown you here I have shown you like it has decided. So here task has been decided, task A and B. Now you need to do this, you need to perform, you need to go for a walk, every child should follow that. So here that's what is happening. So here if I am adding an unimplemented method, so I need to go for a walk now. If I am system.out I am child A and I need to go for a walk as I belong to abstract class strict parent. Okay, and whatever task I am defining here, like I am like authority now, and I want to like abstract class void drink water. So if I am saving this class, then all my child will get prompt for that, like they will get a notification for that, like you need to implement this, like your parents has changed the rule, now you need to follow all the rules. So here you'll say your child class will get red, and it will say like a new rule has been defined by your parent, you need to follow that as well. Okay, the multiple types of rules, whatever he will be defining here in strict parent, they need to follow that. Okay, suppose child b also extending now strict parent, so it also needs to follow those rules. Okay, so go for a walk, drink water, they need to follow them. So suppose now here also you need to go for a walk, drink water, everything is done. I'm saving it. So here if I am creating now an object of the child a, new so it is saying like I'm a child a, I need to go for a walk as it belongs to abstract class strict parent. So whatever I am defining here, abstract class void this is an order, this is a new rule, I have defined it here. Okay, every of my child class will get notified. Here you can see child a have notified like you need to implement this inherited type a must implement the inherited abstract method, this is a new rule, it need to implement that. It is leaving the for now we are leaving the body of the implementation as an empty, just to show you like every class need to implement that. Okay, so now the question comes like so here it is clear like abstract classes are the classes which are having some set of methods that are abstract methods, and they every child class which is extending them, they need to provide an implementation for that method. Abstract methods are generally the methods, they will not be having any body, they are just some set of rules that every other child class need to follow. So other than the abstract methods, it can also have normal methods. Void uh, normal method, I would say. Here you can provide it a body also. System dot out dot println I am a normal. Okay, so this will work as normal inheritance. So suppose so this child class will be having that it will be having this implementation of normal method. So if you will call in the main class, so the child class normal methods, you want that normal method, then you will be getting the result as well. You will be getting that result, I'm a normal method. So this will work as normal, that chill parent scenario that I have defined to you, like some kind of job that the parent has been doing and child don't want to do that, or whether it's child child's choice whether it wants to override that or not. So that is the scenario here. So now one more thing that comes under the abstract class questions, like whether or not is it allowed to declare an object of an abstract class or not. So generally uh, like listen like every we do create object just to access the functionality of a class, or some just to access the data members, or like I would say like methods of that class. So if suppose this is one class. Okay, so suppose this is the chill parent class. Okay, so if I am creating an object of chill parent class, chill new chill parent, so I can call all these methods that are present in that chill dot. Go for a walk or anything. Go for a walk, go drink water, whatever, anything. And these methods are having the implementation inside it. Okay, so using this object I can access all the methods of that chill parent class, and they are having some implementation among them. Like I am going to walk, this implementation is there. So what I can do, I can run this implementation using the chill parent class object. Okay, but our strict parent class, like abstract class, is not having any implementation. Like it will be having some implementation will be there, like for this the implementation will be there, but for go for a walk, go drink water, this new rule, implementations are not there. So what's the point of creating an object which is not providing the whole functionality of a class? Like if the methods are not complete. So you can see here, like if I will create an object of a strict parent class, then what will this method do? Like if I will call the method this go for a walk from its object, then what it will do, it will do nothing because it's not having the body. So it's not a complete class with the uh, I would say like complete implementation of all the methods. So that's why Java mostly or like Java strictly restrict the object creation of an object class, because it will not be having the complete functionality. Although we can create an object of the child class which are extending that abstract class, and we can call, because these are having the implementation, doesn't matter if they are empty or they are not implemented, but they are all having the implementation of that methods that has been defined in abstract class. So that's why we can create an object of the child of an abstract class, but not the abstract class itself. Okay, so I think most of the things I have been I have already covered for the abstract classes in Java. So if you have any doubts, you can provide your doubts in the comment section. And if you like the video or like the explanation about the abstract classes, then you can drop me one like and also a subscribe. So that will be a good for you. In the next video, we'll be covering the topic of interfaces and how abstract classes and interfaces are different from each other, and how do abstract classes are used to provide abstraction to in Java, like how do they follow them. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in next video. Thank you.